I am worth more than they thought of me. I gotta be the Lord, said I'm worth it all when he paid the whole fee. Put a spirit in my heart so that I can be free. Way be, you will find liberty and have peace every day away. Gotta give thanks, gotta pray. Whatever my hands gotta do, I gotta do it great. Go the whole way, gotta stay focused in the paint. Bottle in my face, I don't wanna.
Hey guys, it's your girl NayNay back here with another video or whatever. In today's video, I will be showing you all how to get this sleek bun. Now you can't see the bun because I protected the bun, but well, I protected the sleekness. The bun back here, y'all, you know, you see this bun. Pretend I could. Okay. So I did this style, and this is kind of like a trial run of how I'm going to wear my hair to my sister's wedding. So I used a few different techniques than I used before, and I wanted to show you all whether it was a success or it was a fail. So if you think it was a success or a fail by the end of this video, let me down in the comments below. Let me know you watched the whole video. Let me know what y'all think. And you know, my hair is still transitioning, so I always say that my hair is just a lot frizzier, fuzzier, because it's not all the way natural. Could be wrong, but that's my feeling. So if you haven't, please make sure you subscribe. And I think that's all. So let's jump right into the demo. Hi guys! So my hair is clipped up in these 4 sections. You already know how your girl do it. 4 sections is everything. So the products that I'll be showing you is my water bottle. That's what we're going to start off using. And my Hydrating Curling Cream by Creme of Nature, the coconut milk one. And the new product we'll be trying is the Kinky-Curly curling custard, and this is a demo review as well. And my rat tail comb, my board bristle brush, my Deman Brush, and my paddle brush. Maybe we'll see. Maybe, I don't know. So yeah, okay. So where we're gonna be starting off is going to undo this, and I think this is where I'm showing you all what my hair looks like with no product in it. I think that's what this shot is. I could be wrong, but we're going to see. Yeah, I think, yeah, okay, yeah. So that's my hair with no product in it. That's what that looks like. And then here, I think I was determining kind of where I want my part to be, but we're not going to start from the top. We're going to start from the bottom. So I am just sectioning and clipping up my hair to get it out of the way. So that's what I'm doing here, and this is going to be a very detailed video on how I achieve my sleek bun. So if you want to learn, then yes, this is the video. So I basically clip up my top section, and I'm subsectioning off the bottom part of my hair because that's where I'm gonna start off, at the very bottom. So I'm just gonna clip the part above it up right there, and you can work as big in sections as you like or as little sections as you like. I prefer to work in very small sections because I find that that's the best when it comes to at least sleeking down my hair. You gotta do what's best for you. I'm not telling you if you do it a certain way, you're wrong. If you do it a certain way, you're right. But that's what I'm doing. So, like I said, you gotta work what works for your hair. And I think I have enough clips, as always. So, I'm back. Oh no, I ain't had no scrunchies. That's what that was. Okay. So, you first take your water bottle, your mist bottle, whatever, and you wet your hair to the desired that you would like it to be, desired wetness you would like it to be, or dampness, whatever one works best for you. And then I'm taking my curl cream, and I am taking some of that. You don't have to take a lot, but take at least a generous amount so it can cover that whole section of your hair, especially if your hair is really thick like mine. Like I have really thick hair, so yeah. And then you want to take your Deman brush, and for any sleek style that you want to do, you need to make sure that your hair is nice and detangled. If not, then you are going to have a lot of lumps in your hair, and that's definitely not what you want for a sleek look. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just making sure that my hair is nice and detangled, and that I'm actually curling the ends of my hair, since that is what I use my Deman brush specifically for. I don't really use to detangle, but when it comes to styling, I will somewhat detangle like that. So I'm just still taking my Deman brush, and I'm just making sure that it's good and combed through. And I used a wide tooth comb to actually make sure everything is like detangled, and then I went back through and made sure that everything had no knots. And I'm just applying more water. You can apply as much water as you need throughout. And I'm now opening up the curling custard, because yeah, your girl wasn't prepared or organized, so yeah, I had to do it on camera, and I'm struggling. Lord, struggle is real. I didn't even know I struggled that much, so yeah, and I'm struggling. But I will say that the curling custard is expensive, but it's worth it. Like, I don't know, because this is sped up. Yeah, you can see my face. Like, my face was everything, and like I was shook. I was shocked, because I've heard mixed reviews on the curling custard, but the way it applied to my hair, it felt like, I don't know how, I don't want to say a baby's butt, but like that's how soft and smooth like it just applied to my hair. So once I added the gel, I take my board bristle brush and my rat tail comb, and I initially brush down my hair, and then I take the rat tail comb to make sure there's no lumps or anything, and I just keep on doing that until I feel everything is nice and as smooth as I would like it to be. And you don't necessarily need the rat tail comb. I do it because it works best for my hair. And then all I do is just put it back in the scrunchie like so, and I just do the same process throughout my hair. And it may take, for some people it didn't take long. It took me a while, because one, like, I'm very detailed. My hair is very thick, like I mentioned before, so it takes a lot more effort to make sure my hair gets slicked down, and to make sure that there's no like what is that, frizz? Yeah, so there's no frizz. So that's what I was doing right there. And yeah, it's basically just the same process throughout your hair. That's basically what it is. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the process of me slicking down my hair, and I will be back in a minute or so. So I'm back. Here I am about to determine where my part is, I believe. Yeah, okay, so I have my rat tail comb, and I am just trying to see which side I want to have my part on. And if you're anything like me, it's going to take forever and a day just to figure out what side you want to do it, and then to actually make the part. I take forever to make my part, and yeah, of course my comb falls, of course, because you know it's me. So yeah, so I'm just making my part. It takes me forever and a day to make my part because I like my parts clean. I like my parts to be defined. So if I need to get any little hairs, I will do so. That's why it probably took me about 5 minutes or so just to do the part. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Like, it took me about 5 minutes just to do this part, just to make sure that it is where I want it to be. And I eventually got it. I think once I get all these little hairs, like I said, I'm very detailed when it comes to my parts. So if you like me, you feel my pain. You feel all of my pain, okay? So once I get done making my part, then I just go back to sleeking down the sides of both my hair. Both sides of my hair once I get done that part. That's what I meant to say. So yes, enjoy, guys. After I wrap my hair up, I'm just doing that so that way it can be as sleek as possible as I work on the bun. So I am using a Bun Doughnut because one, my hair is thick, but I'm waiting for it to get longer. So once it gets longer, then I can just do the bun like that. But all I really do to form the bun is I put my hair through the donut and I spray out my hair and I make a swooping motion with my hair around the Bun Doughnut, so that way it looks fuller. And you want to make sure that your hair covers up the donut so that way you don't see the donut when you're rocking your style. And it's just really quick and simple. It probably took me maybe 10 minutes or so, once, you know, swooping it and then also securing with bobby pins as well. And it's not really that hard, to be honest. Like, it's just a bun. So yeah, you just do that and you see how sleek my hair look. Yeah, so after I get done with that, then I put the scarf back on, but I took it off so I could show you all. But yeah, I just put the scarf back on so that way my hair is nice and flat. and also so it can continue to dry because my hair was not all the way dry. So yeah, that's the bun. It's so cute. Yes. Hey guys, so as you saw in the tutorial, you saw the gel that I used, which was the Kinky-Curly Not Today Curling Custard, and I really like this gel. Like, let me tell you something. Even compared to the natural gel that I have, the My Gel, yo, like this gel, like, oh my gosh, it felt like no other. It was so like soft and like it's sticky, but it feels so good going on your hair. Like it feels like it feels moisturizing. It may be tacky, it may be sticky, but it felt so moisturizing on my hair. And this gel actually held down my hair way better than the other gel. And I don't know if it's because of the new technique that I use, where I just made sure I detangled all sections and I worked in smaller sections. But as you could see at the end of the demo, you know, like my hair is very sleek. I just put this back on because my hair wasn't all the way dry, and maybe when it gets all the way dry by tomorrow morning, then it'll be a lot sleeker than when someone just sleep with it like this. As you could see for the bun wasn't too hard to do. All I did was really just take my hair and just like wrap it around the donut, and just secured it with pins. And it didn't take like too long for the bun, so I'm happy about that. Also, another thing about this product, I did not have to use a lot of it. Like y'all saw in the beginning, like where I was, like I didn't even put a dent in this. Like if I show y'all, like I didn't use a lot at all. Like this product, it was expensive. It was $17. Okay, wasn't happy about that, but I feel like this is going to last me a while, even with putting as much gel as I did to slick my hair. Then, you know, and still have this amount. Like I feel like this gel is going to last me a long time. The price is steep, but it's natural, it's good ingredients, so I guess you get what you pay for. You don't have to use a lot of it, so it'll last you a while. And as y'all can see, y'all can't see under here, but I did not do my edges simply because I'm gonna go to sleep in maybe 3-4 hours or so. So, but feel free, you know, girl, slick your edges. I'm gonna slick them down tomorrow. I ain't gonna slick them down tonight, but just make sure you slick and swoop and droop and all that. Do whatever designs you wanna do. Girl, it's your edges. Just make sure them things is laid and slayed. Okay. So, yes. Thank y'all. So yes, thank you all for watching this video. If you haven't, please make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, make sure you follow me on social media. And am I missing something? I don't think I'm missing anything. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Lean, drop a big papa, thinking need a surgeon, doctor, fire department. I've been on the streak, no losses, we get sparked, and then I go and leave the surface, join my Martians. Set the timer, seat recliner, but I never ease my mind in perfect timing. Recommend they work low hard.